Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, in this video, we are going to see how to get Disney Plus on EETV box, install app, sign in, and fix not working. The native Disney Plus app is not available to install on standard EETV Box Pro or EETV Box Mini hardware. Because these proprietary boxes run on the YourView platform, you cannot manually browse a standard app store or sideload apps like Disney Plus directly onto them. Here are the official options and workarounds. EE Apple TV 4K box. If you opted for the EE Apple TV 4K box variant instead of the standard box, open the App Store on the home screen and search for Disney Plus. From there, download it directly. For Smart TV App Store, if using the standard EE Box Pro, look for native Disney Plus app directly on your smart TV's own interface, such as Samsung, LG, or Sony app menus, rather than through the EE Box. Streaming stick. Connect an external device like an Amazon Fire TV stick or Roku player into an empty HDMI port on your television, and you can install Disney Plus from respective TV store app. How to sign in and activate the app. Select Login on the screen. An 8-digit activation code or QR code will appear. Go to disneyplus.com/begin on your phone or computer. From there, enter the 8-digit code shown on your screen. Now log in with your My Disney email and password to sync the account. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.